Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Cute Crafty is right here. So in my today's video I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY home decor. So this video was requested by Angel Vishwakarma and today I'm going to upload it. So let's start with the video. For that the materials you could need are glue, white paper, a black sketch pen, a piece of cardboard and some paper quilling strips, and last but not the least you're gonna need is some plastic crayons. So the color you're gonna need is blue color, light blue. So now let's get started. First take your cardboard and draw a shape of your cloud. Okay, after drawing you have to cut it out. After cutting you will get something like this, and now let's erase the excess line. After erasing, take your light blue color and start by shading it in this way. After coloring, move it aside. Now take your A4 size white paper, fold it in this way and cut it. After cutting, make it into a square and make two small balls in this way. After making it, cut it. After cutting two small circles, again take your white paper, cut it, again fold it in half and make smaller circles, smaller than these but with black sketch pen. Take your black sketch pen and color this. Then guys, after cutting your circles, stick it up. And I'm using Fevicol to stick it. After sticking, again take your black sketch pen and draw circles over here too. After making, take your cloud and stick these eyes over there. Let's stick it. Now guys, it's time for her mouth. Now take red crayon and draw a mouth. Okay guys, after drawing your mouth, take the paper filling strips and stick it on the back of the cloud. Let's stick it. You can paste it anyhow. Some small, some big. So let's paste it. After sticking guys, you will get something like this. And now let's trim off the end paper. After that guys, I made a hook with paper. In this way you can also make it. And now let's stick it on the back side. Let's take our glue, the hook, and stick it. Let's press it so that it sticks permanently. Okay guys, after sticking, you are done with the DIY home decor. Okay guys, I hope you like my video, and if you do, so please don't forget to give this video a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, and also don't forget to comment. Bye! And also don't forget to share this video if you like this home decor.